Hey, welcome to Hive Podcast, where you can stay up to date with the latest marketing, sales, and business updates. The warm breeze of digitalization is playing its part in taking each business online, when service-based businesses offer bundles as per the tenure of usage. Product-based businesses can offer their items specifically in the market. So if you're planning to begin an e-tail business, you'll dispatch it any place without stressing your geographic location. Though you wish not to have a physical store, you must have a few presences to construct your customers' belief. The static website can serve as the reason for building trust, but you won't exhibit your items. When clients explore your items as they can do at the physical outlets, they will only contact you to buy. Else, they may take off your site and explore other businesses. E-commerce website plan and improvement deal with designing a website where clients can check the items, explore variations, and check out the most excellent deal. The real transaction of payment will happen at your store, and you may get it in your account without any mediators involved. You'll include other modes of payment as well as adaptability tricks to make your store a success. To offer a store-like experience to your clients, you, as a dealer, will search for a distinctive website design and web development options. Through e-commerce, store designing and e-commerce website improvement are the two terms interchangeably used. They have slight distinction. Store designing is almost selecting the design components that can make your store look alluring to turn it sellable. However, e-commerce website improvement is building your store from scratch and including all your choices functionalities. For custom store improvement, you would like UI/UX designers' help to design the format of web pages and get endorsed for development. Then e-commerce store developers can shape your store based on that format and include more functionalities. How to get an e-commerce website designed. In the present times, creating an e-commerce store isn't that tricky, depending upon the count of features you'll need, the investment you'll make, and the efforts you like to put. You'll select the platform of your choice. When you don't have a fancy budget and have a bit of technical knowledge, you'll check for open-source CMS platforms to construct your design from scratch. In this case, you've got to contribute your time and cash to both design your e-commerce store. The topics and plugins may include your budget if you want to upgrade them for a much better experience. If you need to induce a customized website design for your business, but you don't need to oversee things, you would like to put it through with the e-commerce website designers. You can hire independent developers or interface with an IT company with a sound portfolio of designing e-commerce stores for businesses. The most excellent choice to get your store ready with almost no tension is to check with the online website builders and e-commerce platforms. The online website builders will help you design your store using pre-designed store layouts. In contrast, e-commerce platforms will protect your store designing, customization, management of front-end, back-end, integration of deal channels, client asset management, promoting tools, integration of third-party software, and advanced functionalities. If you're arranging to launch your e-commerce business as a person, e-commerce platforms can surely bring the most excellent deal for you. Rest. You can choose upon other inclinations and alternatives you have got in your mind. How much will it cost to create an e-commerce website? Building an e-commerce website for your business isn't as costly as opening your physical store. You can begin with as low as $35, and there will be no restriction beyond. The essential investment will be that of purchasing your domain. The domain title of your store can be the brand name or anything as per your choice. The title that you simply select will decide the charges to buy a domain. If you select Custom Web Development, you've got to search for the website's hosting service provider. The determination of the hosting plan will be another investment added to the list. If you design your website, that's fine. Else, you can include the cost of a website developer or web development group as the third investment. You can move ahead with the free themes by checking their compatibility with the platform you choose. Later, you can buy the themes and third-party plugins to create your store more available. However, if you will be using e-commerce platforms, you'll get free access to all essential and productive e-commerce functionalities that are significant to run an e-commerce store. Core features of an e-commerce store. The core features of an e-commerce store include the integration of a payment portal, shipping benefit suppliers, content management, receipt generation, order fulfillment dashboard, and checkout page. All of these functionalities are capable of converting your inactive website to the energetic and transactional one. You will discover all these e-commerce features accessible on the platforms to make an e-commerce store for you. In addition to these core functionalities, you can also explore the progressed functionalities you like to be included in your e-commerce store. E-commerce gives you a free hand to explore and make things possible to each extent. You can check for the features online and analyze your competitor's website to create the list of features you need to execute in your online store. Get your store ready in less than 10 minutes. You can get your store prepared in less than 10 minutes with Builderfly. You have to enroll your business with essential contact details, choose your business industry, including your physical location, and hold up for some seconds. In a streak, you'll find that you will make the store, and you can check the first look of your store. Another task for you is to use all the features and begin using them to personalize your store as per your preferences. You can customize each area of your e-commerce store and include the individual touch of your brand. Management of orders, stock, cross-channel sales, marketing, and different dimensions of your store will help you streamline your business with articulate ease. After you get your e-commerce store designed, you can access features like themes, domain interfaces, catalog management, CRM integration, connected marketing tools, blog, SEO features, abandoned cart recovery, tax management, live shipping rates, etc. Hire experts to design your dream store. Success is about being present in the right circumstances at the correct time. Once you are actively dealing with other frontiers of your business, you may miss the proper timing. By hiring experts, you'll save this opportunity by getting your store designed. You need not worry about the look and feel of your dream. They'll pay attention to managing your back end, and you'll concentrate on techniques to make strides in the transformation of your store. E-commerce is one of the most competitive and profitable businesses on the internet. That implies if you need to succeed, you would like the website that'll provide an uncommon involvement to your clients on each page. If you don't, you'll be sure you're losing profitable clients to your competition.